Good morning children. How are you children? I hope you are doing well. So today let us start a new chapter of biology. The name of the chapter is How do organisms reproduce? We know that children, there are different types of organisms in this world and we have seen different type of essential life processes taking place in their body like nutrition, respiration, etc. Because these life processes are important for them to survive. And even children, we are seeing different types of organisms. Why? Because these organisms reproduce. If suppose these organisms do not reproduce, then what will happen? So slowly these organisms, they will die and their species will become extinct. So children, reproduction process is essential in all organisms because they create new individuals that look similar to them. And therefore reproduction is of two types: asexual reproduction, sexual reproduction. In asexual reproduction children, only one parent is required. But in sexual reproduction, we want two parents, that is male parent and female parents are required. During the reproduction process, we can see some variations in the organisms. But during asexual reproduction, the variations will be very small. But during sexual reproductions, variations will be more. Now let us see the next concept which is given in our chapter, that is asexual reproduction. Now asexual reproduction occurs by different methods. Now first method is fission, for example amoeba. Next method is fragmentation, example is Spirogyra. Third method is regeneration, example is Glandaria. Next method is budding, which we will see in the Hydra. So children, this asexual reproduction process I will be explaining you in the next lecture in detail. Now let us see the vegetative propagation in plants. Roots, stem, leaves, buds, these are known as the vegetative parts of a plant body. So through these vegetative parts, the plant can produce a new plant. Therefore it is known as vegetative propagation. So here children, I will be showing you some activities. Now for example, from the stem, how a plant can be grown. Example, potato, money plant. And from the leaf, how a bryophyllum produces a new plant. So these all activities I will be showing you. So watch these activities carefully children, and you can do these activities also at home. And in this concept, we will be studying about the advantages of vegetative propagation. Now let us see the next topic, that is the tissue culture. So new plants are grown by removing tissue from the growing tip of a plant. So nowadays through the tissue culture also we can grow new plants. Now the next major topic given to us is sexual reproduction. So in sexual reproduction, male and female organisms mate and produce a new offsprings. Sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Now we will study here male parts of a flower, female parts of a flower. Then the next topic we will study about pollination, types of pollination and agents of pollination. After pollination children, fertilization process occurs in flowers. Then after fertilization process gets completed, then we will see how fruit and seeds are formed in the plant body. Now let us see the reproduction in human beings. So first topic is we will study the changes seen in the body of boys and girls, or you can say male and female, when they attain the puberty or the adolescence period. Then the next topic is male reproductive system. So children, here I will be explaining you about male reproductive system, about its structure as well as function. The next topic is female reproductive system. So this topic also I will explain you. The system I will explain you children. I will explain you the structure as well as function. The next topic is menstrual cycle. It occurs in females. How it occurs, why it occurs, that also I will explain you. Then the last is we have to take care the reproductive health of male as well as female. So children, all these concepts I will be explaining you in the next lecture. So children, listen carefully and try to understand these concepts which is given in this chapter, and try to understand each and every module of this chapter, and watch the activities carefully children, and try to understand the concepts given in our activities. So children, study well, stay home, stay safe. Thank you children.